Have you ever wondered how you could level up your writing skills with just a few clicks? Imagine having a professional writing coach at your fingertips, ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of AI and exploring a powerful tool called Professional Writing Coach. This AI tool is designed to help you refine your writing, whether you are crafting an email, working on an essay, or even drafting your next novel. We'll be looking at how you can easily incorporate this tool into your daily routine to enhance your writing skills. Let's go! Here we'll dive into 3 practical examples to show you exactly how you can use Professional Writing Coach. Imagine you're writing an important email to a client to follow up on a proposal, but you're not sure if your tone is appropriate. Here's how you can use Professional Writing Coach to help. Next, let's say you're working on a short story but feel stuck with the plot. Professional Writing Coach can help brainstorm ideas. Here's how. Finally, suppose you're preparing an academic paper and want to ensure your arguments are clear and well supported. That's Professional Writing Coach in action. So, there you have it, a closer look at how you can leverage Professional Writing Coach to enhance your writing, whether it's for professional, creating, or academic purposes. With the right prompts, this tool can become an invaluable partner of your writing toolkit. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. As always, see you in the next video. Ciao!